First time being bent.
Yes!
Okay, so we played some of the old school joints. We got to play some of the new ones too. Now, because you guys know we put out an album this year, right? I'm sorry, because the ears I can't hear, because I got these things so I can't. You guys know we put out an album this year, right?
Yeah!
That's better. So we're gonna do one from the new album, and we just need you to help us sing parts of the chorus. It's very simple. It's just 3 words, and we'll walk you through it. Literally just 3 words, but you guys seem like your vocal cords are nice and warmed up with the woo, so might as well put you to work, all right? Let's try this. Growing up, I would refuse to admit